Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Okay, and what you're going to need for this is your favorite peanut butter and jelly or jam. This is blackberry jam, and bread. This is Nature's Own, and it's sugar free for those who need to be watching their sugar. My mom eats that, and she seems to like it. And you'll need butter or margarine. So let's get this going and see how it turns out, and it's gonna be good, I'm sure. So alright, so here we go. Okay guys, first step, of course, you're going to want to open up the bread. So we're going to put that down here. Okay, and of course you're just going to assemble your PB&J. What you want to do is get your peanut butter here and just spread it on your bread like so. Never really measured peanut butter, but I get it. When I make a peanut butter jelly sandwich, I will spread the peanut butter pretty good on the bread here. Not too thick. And just enough to cover it all up. Alright. And then put a little bit of jelly on here. Your favorite jelly, jam, just on the one side. Get it spread on there good. And then we're gonna fold it over like so. Now, I don't like, if you notice I'm using knives, I don't want to get anything mixed together here, but then you just take your butter and spread it on there. Alrighty, now this is a George Foreman grill, and you just lift this up and sit that on here and sit it down, and you'll have a few minutes and your sandwich will be ready. So well, not too long here, but if you're cooking on a grill, you just cook it on one side for a minute or two, and then you just flip it over. With the George Foreman, we'll cook both sides at the same time. That's why I like using it. So, and if you take a look, oh, yeah, it's nice. We're gonna just flip it over this way. I'm getting kind of peanut butter's kind of leaking out on that, but Alright, well, I'm going to give it a few minutes here of cooking, and then we're going to enjoy it. Okay guys, been a little bit, just a few minutes. I'll open this up and take this sandwich out. Smells good. Just look at that. I'm going to set it down here. I'm going to let it cool and wash this up. It's got a little bit of the peanut butter leaking out, but that's what makes a grilled sandwich good, is when the stuff leaks out. Huh? Alright, so this is a grilled. Just look at that. Nice little marks. This side turned out better than that side. But nice little marks. So I'm going to let that cool down just a little bit. Let me let this cool down, and then we'll get to enjoy it. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead. It's cooled down a little bit. Smells good though. Here we go. We're going to give it a try. Good. Peanut butter's nice and gooey. Bread has a nice toasty taste. Oh, next time you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, throw it on the grill and enjoy it. Unique twist to an old classic. Alright, so comment below, and if you give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my video to catch other good cooking videos like this. I release a cooking video every Saturday morning, and I also do some taste test videos, some sightseeing and adventure videos. You guys should enjoy all my videos. Alright, well, I'll catch you guys later, and just remember to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. And I'm going to finish up this sandwich now.